All right, so post market analysis and talking over my first day trading on the Take Profit Trader Pro Funded account. So today we actually had an initial move to the downside. Marked out the first 15-minute opening range. Top of that range was 29,794. The bottom of that range was 29,558. So about 150 or 250 point move there, which was pretty crazy. I think I went in long initially and then went in short after the fact because 29,759 was the top of that Friday gap fill, right? So right here, this candle right here, 29,759 was this 2 Fridays ago. So not last Friday, but the Friday before that. That was the top of that candle there. Sort of were rejecting it previously, so I was like, okay, that's a price of interest that I want to short off of. So if we go back to the 5 minute, that's exactly what I did. Once we wicked up here and it looked pretty weak, I went in short here, and I think I got out here at the bottom. It's like we might retest day's lows and then bounce off, but we kept going lower, which was fine. I actually waited for the market to come back all the way down to 29,269. So 29,269 here on the hourly. We had a couple of times bounce off of it, acting like support. So once here, you can call that 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and then right here, this candle's low was 29,274, so about 5 points higher than the 269 level that I was looking at. That's on the hourly. So on the 5 minute, so once we came back up and started making higher highs, I think here I started going in long, and then the rest is history. We had a nice move to the upside and then have been trading sideways ever since about noon time. We traded sideways, so not a lot of price action once we got to highs, but we even broke Friday's highs, so that's really, really good. So just looking ahead for tomorrow, obviously we have a nice move, a nice break here on the daily. I'm gonna mark out let's see here, I'm gonna mark out Friday high. Let's see here, or was that Thursday high? So Thursday high, so I'm gonna mark that out quick for tomorrow. So Thursday high, and let's see there, yeah, I'm gonna mark out Thursday high. If we, that's probably going to be a level of interest as well. Maybe Wednesday high too of 30,158. We're already at 30,027, so about 125 points away from breaking Wednesday high. And if we keep going higher, I mean, it's pretty easy that we can get it back up to 31,000 here. We just really need the geopolitical news to be on our favor. The Strait of Hormuz needs to reopen, so we can get a nice move back to the upside for everybody's long-term portfolios. That would be really, really good. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Maybe dip buys on a move back down to 29,759 would be a good move there, or a dip buy, or Friday high, previous Friday high here at 29,894. So I'm just going to show you real quick that pro funded account here and just show you the report. Let's take a quick look. So reports, let me see if I can switch over. No, not that one. Okay, so accounts report here. So I'm just gonna go to today. We'll just go over how many trades they took and all that good stuff. So total P&L. So for the $25,000 funded evaluation accounts, you have a buffer of $1,500. So right now my balance on the first day is $1,862. I'm actually going to be requesting a $350 payout and still have that buffer for tomorrow. I'm just taking a payout just so I can lock it in. I haven't had a payout since February of 2025, so it's been a year and a half just about. And my last payout was from Top Step, about a $800 payout, but I'm just going to lock in a payout just to pay myself. I'm going to recover the fee and everything, so that's going to be very, very nice. So today I had 32 total trades. Number of trades, I had 23 winning trades and then 9 losses, which is a really, really good win to loss ratio. So almost a 72% win ratio versus 28% loss there of my trades. So average winning trade, let's see that. Average winning trade was $97. Average losing trade was $90, but largest win here was $452. The largest loss was $172. Average winning trade time is 3 minutes. It's about the same there. Longest winning trade time 11 minutes. Longest losing trade time 11 minutes. So that's pretty nice there. So max run up 1578 there, and then you see my P&L just go up from there. Late last night I had some pretty good trades there, being $440 there and $335 there at 10 o'clock, and then had a few more winners there. So overall, I am pleased with what I'm doing here. I've had some success on trading my live account here. Now I got a free $25,000 account with Take Profit Trader, so I traded that, passed it last week, and then started it last night. Was ended the night up about $450, and then ran it up another $1,400. It looks like today. So really, really excited about getting this payout. But there is work to do. We have one more day for the month of June, and that is tomorrow. So we'll see if we can get some trades going on with my live account. On my live account, I'm down $260, which is not that bad. Still up $3,800 on the month for June, and then getting a payout here on the Take Profit Trader account. I will be up $350. So if you like this type of content, I post pre-market analysis and then post-market analysis, and then just levels that I'm looking at. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see everybody tomorrow morning.